Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this cables and adapter USB-C to C, and this one's really interesting. You probably can't see it yet. Give me a sec. Right there. It's right angle, and this could be absolutely perfect for you. So I do have another video review of this particular cable company in my YouTube. If I remember, I'll link it down below. This particular cable has a great rubber attachment here, or just transition, which helps with bending. The connectors are strong. It's a aluminum or a hard plastic type material. The braided material is tough and rigid, but not too rigid that it's posable. And it's a little bit thicker than cables that I typically use. Now, for laptops, this could be really good. If you're daisy chaining certain things together, it could be good. It could also be convenient if you're charging and you want to have your phone like this or something. So the right angles, if people don't know about them, everyone's situation is different. This could be great for you. All in all, this is a great cable, great company. This particular cable is very long. In fact, it's 10 feet. So if you have an outlet that's very far away and you want to hide and tuck a high quality cable, this could be a good situation for you. I hope you guys liked that quick look unboxing review, and I hope you have a great day.